Hey friends, Greg here at the Pennywise Guys. Today we're going to discuss the differences between the heat pump water heaters and conventional water heaters and why heat pump water heaters are a good selection for energy efficiency, and for solar customers it's a great option for replacing the gas appliances and gas water heaters to help reduce your gas bill along with your electric bill. So let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and discuss a few things about when and why to buy the heat pump water heater. First of all, if you're not a solar customer, you need to look at the energy efficiency of these units compared to what you have. If you have gas, you're going to reduce your gas bill, and your electric is going to be far less than if you used a conventional element type water heater. Typically, the heat pump portion of the water heater runs about 1/3 of the electricity as compared to a element type water heater. So if you look at the numbers, if you've got a element type water heater only, you're looking anywhere between 18 and 25 amps of energy use, depends on size and brand. If you have a heat pump water heater and it's running mostly with the heat pump part of the unit instead of the elements adding to it, the power usage is anywhere between 5 to 12 amps, depending on size and brand of unit. I want to go ahead and explain a little bit about heat pump water heaters and how they function and why they're a good appliance to reduce your electric utility. Basically, the heat pump water heater has two functions. This top portion, that black portion of it, is a compressor, coils, and fan like you would see on an AC system. A heat pump takes, in reverse, it takes the heat out of the air and puts it into the water. The cold air that's left comes out of here. So you're taking in air up here, it goes through a coil, it transfers the heat goes into the tank, and cold air comes out of the unit. And it's very super efficient. A heat pump compressor, smaller units, 5 amps. This one here is a bigger unit, it's about 12 amps. In electrical use, but it's quick. It's a lot faster than the 5 amp pump. But it transfers the heat and does a really good job of heating water. It also has heating elements like a traditional tank. So when the weather is too cold, or if you have too much demand for hot water and the heat pump can't keep up, then it goes into what's called a hybrid mode. Right there, the efficiency mode is straight heat pump. Hybrid mode, when the heat pump can't keep up, then the elements in the hot water tank will then take over and assist in producing the hot water. There is on this unit, this is a unit that has an electric mode as well, and it only uses the elements down below. It does not use the heat pump. Okay, so very efficient, and if you're a solar customer, they're thinking about putting in solar, you've got gas appliances like a gas water heater, and especially if it's old enough that needs to be replaced anyway, think about a heat pump water heater, because they can add just a couple more panels to size your system a little bigger, and it'll cover the electricity consumption on your water heating, and you've eliminated your gas bill on the water heating. So it's a good way to go if you're thinking about solar. If not, still you get a good payback on investment. Typically a heater like this is about double the price of a typical element type water heater, but that extra cost will be paid back for in the electrical savings in a matter of a few years. And this one here has a yearly estimated electrical cost of $113 a year. And so this is a 50-gallon tank and A.O. Smith heater. It's a good quality one, and I highly recommend it. Alright, hope that helps. I pray that you are blessed, that you know Him who is the author of life.